So everyone always asks me, okay, well maybe not everyone, but they say, Nicole, how do you take your self-portraits? Honestly, I don't really have a set way because my process is constantly changing, but this will be my best attempt at explaining to you how I take my self-portraits. Inspiration. So where do I get my inspiration from? Honestly, it varies. It can range anywhere from moments before I actually take my camera and shoot to months where this idea has just been living in my head. And for whatever reason, I just haven't shot it. Let me explain a couple to you. The 19th birthday ones came from this TikTok. The rainbow silhouette idea came from seeing all the cool kids airplay images onto their TVs, and so I wanted to do the same thing as well. I got the inspiration for these after I was forced to look at my reflection post Zoom meeting. Planning. So how much prep actually goes into it? Well, if inspiration strikes me in the moment and I have everything I need, I will take those pictures right then and there. But if I don't have everything I want for the shoot, then it'll most likely live in my head for months until I actually do anything about it. For this set, I went on the hunt to go find an eyeshadow color that matches this exact green. I finally bought the eyeshadow palette that I'd been eyeing for months. Makeup. Here are my essentials. Some type of blush. This one I got at Sephora last year on my birthday for free. Red lipstick. This one I actually had to go and buy on my own because I can't just finesse my grandma's red lipstick anymore. Eyelash curler. This is a Revlon and I think I paid more for it than I should have at CVS. Mascara. I use this double-edged one and let me tell you, it works wonders. And here's our eyeshadow palette, our newest addition to the collection. Wardrobe. So I've never bought clothes specifically for my portraits. It's always just a matter of seeing which ones match the feel and look I'm going for. Sometimes I go for a monochrome look, and sometimes I go for a complete color contrast. Never patterns. Not really, unless I have a real good reason for doing so. So let's talk gear. I use a Sony Alpha 65. As for light, there's a couple options. The most expensive is this, the Godox Speed Light. It's an expensive buy, yes, but you have more creative freedom when it comes to controlling the light. Next are these 13-inch Home Depot lights. They're magnetic and USB rechargeable, so that's pretty cool. The cheapest option of all is your internal camera flash. Oh, and my tripod. I got this one at Walmart. And finally, the shoot. So I only really shoot self-portraits a couple times a year. It's something I have to peer pressure myself into. I guess it's that time of the year again where I have to take self-portraits. And now you understand why. It's draining. So when I shoot, you know damn well that it's a special occasion because I will just get consumed into these images for the next 2 to 3 days. It's my one and only priority. So most of your time will actually be spent preparing to take your images and editing your images afterward. A small sliver of your time will actually go to taking the pictures themselves. And that just about covers everything you need to know on how to take your self-portraits. So I wish you nothing but the best on yours.